All right, what's going on, everybody? So here's what we're doing. If you have a 2010 Highlander or 2008, whatever, this is the body style, second gen, and you've been having an issue where every single time you lock your car at 3:30 a.m. in the morning, your alarm goes off and you have no idea why. Well, I'm about to explain why and how we fixed it, okay? Here's what we got. For some reason on the Toyota, and I don't really know why, they put in a sensor for your lock system that if someone was to open the hood or try to open it, the alarm would go off. Don't really understand it. Doesn't really make much sense to me. If someone's going to steal the car, I don't think the hood is where they're going to try to break into. But yeah, that's what I've learned from reading stuff on the internet and honestly just in my own testing. Yeah, that's what it's for. So what's happening is this particular lock is getting old, corroded, wet, whatever. And for those of you who want to know where it looks like, this is the area right here, okay? And it connects to, there's a little, where did I put it? Oh yeah, this guy right up inside here. Let me focus in on that for you, okay? So essentially, this is shorting out. This is shorting out, and it's sending a signal to the computer that someone's trying to break in, set off the alarm. So here's how I fixed it. I did it very, very quickly. You take off the plastic cover. You just need, one of these. Then needed one of these to take off the little screw that goes right here so I could take the grill out. And then it was very, very, very simple. I cut the line, let me focus in right here. I cut the line right here, as you can see. Peeled this back. Those are the two wires. And essentially what I did was put them in a splice, and that completes the circuit. And why does that matter? It now means, so if I grab my keys, which are in my pocket here, I lock the car, car's locked. You can't do that with the hood open unless you've done this. Because essentially now the car is locked and I'm not trying to break in, and look at that. It opens now because I have the keys in my hand. So, but more importantly, you can lock it. So since it's locked and this circuit has been completed, it will no longer set off this alarm because you're getting rid of all the, you can kind of see like my cable started to rust and some other things. You've essentially, the computer thinks this system is set and ready to go. Your hood's down and everything's fine. So well, I'll come back to this video in say like a month and I'll let you guys know how it works, but this is how I solved it. I just really cut it, put a little splice on it. I might cover it with electrical tape, just to be extra safe, but that's really it. So hopefully this solves the issue you're having and your neighbors won't hate you anymore. Cheers. Throw this out here. If this video was helpful for you, definitely let us know. Check out our website, easthoodracing.com. If you really want to show support, buy a sticker, buy a t-shirt, all of it kind of helps us do more of the things that we want to do as I take on more projects and we knock stuff out. So thanks again for watching. Share it with your buddies. Hopefully it helps people.